joint technology transfer and knowledge transfer on garbage, sewage and water. So केन्ना तरी आमचो मनीस जो तांच्यांनी कितें केलां तें पळोवन you have to learn what they have done. You will implement in 20. Why not 24? Maybe if I try for 24, I will achieve 10 hours. And maybe sometime after another 1 or 2 years, 24 will happen. Don't be short of targets. This is not for votes. I am keeping this as my target, 24 by 7. But it is possible. I am very sure that it is possible. And because if I succeed in Panji, it's not easy, but it can be made possible. If I succeed in Panji, I can replicate it in Madgaon, Mapsa, Honda, Vasco, all of the places. Garbage, Maigini plant will probably start sometime in April, March, April. Construction follows in one year to 15 months it should be ready. So that should take care of Panji's garbage. Traffic तो आम्ही केला. आता हांगाच्यान ह्या रस्त्याचे आता थोडेशे मातसो रस्तो सारको स्मूथ करून फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन computerization of road in Goa. We don't know the advantage of computerization.